Did you know that every bicycle with a rear derailleur for changing gears has a filter that should be checked and cleaned as necessary? It's a filter for your chain, especially if you over lube your chain. You do a lot of dirty, muddy riding, you get buildup in your chain. Now, as your chain goes through your derailleur pulleys, these wheels here, these pulleys pull the dirt out of your chain and actually start to clean your chain. But as your pulleys get massively caked with greasy dirt, they no longer can filter your chain out. So I like to say that these derailleur pulleys are your chain's filter. And you can see there is goop on there. Like, this is a new bike, right? So it's not a bunch. I've seen it caked on like that thick all along here. The chain's actually like making a groove through the goop. So what we do here, clean your derailleur pulleys helps clean your chain. So I'm going to take just a little implement, a little flat screwdriver. I'm going to stick it on here somewhere that I can get at and backpedal along that pulley. Oh crap, it went into the cage. Oh, anyway, but you see how much, like, that's not much, but it's something. Turn my bright light on again. I keep taking breaks, you know. This takes a lot longer when you're trying to show how it's done. Okay, so stick my flat screwdriver here. Oh, now I'm going to hit my stand. Back pedal. That's that side. The tricky side is the inside. Oh, this one's going to get more. Back pedal. Oh, come back here, you goop. Look at that. Gross. Hair. There's always hair. Who sticks their head in the rear derailleur? Because there's always hair. Oop, totally lost that goop. Okay. Clean enough. That is your bicycle's filter.